Always looking for a good coconut cake. Tamarind ball. Right. Good morning from beautiful Jamaica. I am heading home from my solo trip. Heading home to New York from my solo trip. It is so early. I feel like I'm still sleeping. It's like, what, 2 a.m.? Who knew the duty-free stores were closed? I guess I'm not normally here this early. Didn't realize the stores are closed. Well, so far, the ones I've passed are closed. The store that I normally check out is closed. So I had a nice time. Attended a funeral service, but I had a good time. There's an open store right here. So I guess you have some early morning. Some early morningers. Not all the stores are closed. This is like a food store. Oh, I need patties, so, oh yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna get some beef patties for Ramses and Satai. Oh, there's veggie patty too. I could probably get veggie for Oral.
What is that juicy? What is that? Is that a beef? That's a chicken.
Jamaican tasty patties. Okay, so they have juicy beef and they have tasty. Juicy beef and tasty, authentic Jamaican patties. Alright, let's see which one I want. Mango jam. Huh. That looks good. We don't need any jerk sauce. Let's see what tea they have. Mint tea, bissy tea, neem, Cersei. Got some Cersei. I love Cersei tea. Oh, sorrel tea. Never bought the sorrel like this before. Molasses. Pure molasses, huh? Always looking for a good coconut cake. Tamarind ball. Right. Ethiopia. There's a lot of beautiful paintings on your way to the It's still a fun one. So I bought some juicy beef, juicy soy patty. So these are for Oral, since he's pescatarian and he doesn't eat any meat. And this is for the boys. They love Jamaican beef patties, so yeah. And of course,
welcome to JetBlue Flight B61360, John F. Kennedy, New York. My name is
JetBlue
Jordan. I'll be
announcing.
assisting your flight today along with Ashley Dean and Tashana here at gate number 3. We'll begin boarding approximately 3:28 a.m. In the meantime, we have some important details to share with you, so please listen up.
So it wouldn't be a Jamaican trip without my coconut cake, of course. So this one is pure coconut cake, but this one is...
As a reminder, the TSA allows you to carry on maximum one personal item that fits onto the
Let's
seat
wait
in front
for
of
them
you
to
and one
announce. This one is coconut and peanut cake, so my favorite. Let's see how much I spent this time. Last time it was horrible. This time it's $8,830 in Jamaican, but at least I have patties for that to show for that, and not just chocolate and coconut cake. Oh my God, it's constantly announcing. Pack my patties back in this bag. Right, they give me a nice little bag, so yeah. So as I was saying, at least I have patties to show for it, and not just coconut cake and chocolate like our last trip. Yeah, so I've just wrapped up an amazing solo trip to Jamaica. I'm still in Jamaica, and let me tell you, it has been a journey, like a full of relaxation, reflection, and just reconnecting with my roots. So I've been back a lot, but this time it was different. It wasn't really about the touristy stuff and the adventures, the crazy stuff that I'm used to doing with my husband when he's here. It was more about just, you know, just relaxing and reflecting on, yeah, and on stuff that I did in the past, you know, back in the days, just reflecting. A lot of times I was just soaking up the peace, you know. Growing up, I used to climb trees like they were second nature. There's this big mango tree in my childhood home. I swear I spent more time up there than anywhere else. I was just eating mangoes and my feet hanging down, just relaxing, like every day after school, you know. In the summertime, I was just sitting there soaking up the sun, and those were the days, you know what I mean? Just enjoying the cool breeze, the sound of nature. It just makes everything feel like it's slowing down, like it's a slow day. It's always a slow day in Jamaica. And for the first time in a long time, I felt like I was back in that carefree place, you know, where anxiety is not a thing. At least I don't think it was never a thing when I was there. It's just free to be, just free to relax, just free to, you know, just hang out and chat with friends, not be rushed into anything. A part of the trip was bittersweet though. I attended a service for my late pastor, who was like such an inspiration, such a big part of my life growing up, and even my early adult life. It was just emotional to be back in that church group, listening to, you know, familiar hymns, familiar prayers. Yeah, it just brought me back to the days when I was like up on my spiritual games. But yeah, just let me think about like maybe where I need to, place I really need to be like spiritually. But yeah, it was a really good service. I think was done justice for him. Like everything was just familiar. Like the service went on and on and on, like a typical style, Pentecostal Jamaican style. And people were like, oh my God, it's so long. But I'm like, I was expecting this. This is what I expect. Like church is never over on time. When pastor is, church is never over on time. So why would his service be over in time? I know that was never gonna happen. So I think it was perfect in his honor. Yeah, so I think it was a lovely send-off for him, and yeah, it was a lot of reminiscing. It was good times. I'm sure I'll be back soon. I'm always here. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my reflecting on my little solo trip. Thanks for coming along with me on this journey. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next vlog. Check out one of our wild adventure if this was too boring. Check out our ride in the middle of the ocean in that Ferrari, that pink Ferrari. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed just chatting with you today. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed recording this. Yeah. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. From beautiful Jamaica again. Going down the escalator. Hello. Look at these relaxing chairs in the waiting area. That is too fancy. Never noticed these chairs before. It's like lounging.
For watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's
Trip.
enough videos.